Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are reviewing the 3.5 times to 200 times Simul-Focal Stereo Trinocular Microscope set, which comes with a high-definition video camera supporting 4K, 2K, and 1080p resolutions through HDMI, VGA, USB, and TF card connections. This professional microscope is perfect for precision work in electronics, research, and industrial applications. The microscope head delivers a sharp stereo erect image over a wide field of view, with a standard working distance of 110 mm, providing enough space for comfortable use. It features a 45-degree inclined and 360-degree rotatable binocular head, with an interpupillary distance adjustable between 54 and 75 mm. The diopter adjustment in both tubes ensures clear images for users with different vision needs. The eyepieces are wide-field WF 10 times with 22 mm field of view, offering a large and clear observation area. The zoom range is from 0.7 times to 5 times, giving a total magnification range of 7 times to 50 times. The ergonomic design and bilateral hand will make adjustments smooth and precise, reducing fatigue during long sessions. This set also includes a high-definition 2K camera, which provides real-time video output for documentation or live demonstrations. It supports multiple output options, including HDMI and USB, making it versatile for different setups. In summary, the 3.5 times to 200 times Simul-Focal Stereo Trinocular Microscope set combines excellent optical performance, ergonomic design, and advanced imaging capabilities. If you need a reliable and professional microscope for detailed inspection or research, this is an outstanding choice. If you found this review helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the link in the description for more details. Thank you for watching.